Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Today I'm trying to teach people on importance of online shopping. Online shopping is shopping from your home at your convenience, where you order for products, then they'll be delivered. Once you quantify that the quality is good and it is what you ordered, you pay for them, then the goods are yours. Today we'll look at Jumia Kenya. Jumia Kenya is an online shopping mall that is based on ordering online, then paying cash on delivery. They are celebrating their 7th anniversary sales today from June 24th to July 14th. Make sure you grab a chance, get the best offers. Today I'll acquaint yourself with Jumia. Jumia, apart from the online product, it has other products. Like it has Jumia Food, where you will order the best dishes, get delivered at your home. It has Jumia Travel, you can travel to Dubai, all those stuff. It has the flights, it has the houses, it has Jumia Party. Let us have a look at Jumia Food. Jumia Food is a platform where you come and you'll be able to order for the food that you require, and it will deliver at your city as long as it is within the highlighted the highlighted towns. We have we have Jumia Deals. Jumia Deals, they are selling like 5-bedroom at 280 Gs. They are selling 3-bedroom master and suite at 50,000. This is an apartment where you rent in Waiyaki Highway. This is per month. Ridgeways furnished, you'll get at 130K. If you want those executive Jumia Deals, it has apartments for rent, it has furnished apartments, it has studio rooms for rent, houses for sales. That is Jumia Deals. Then we go to Jumia Travel. Jumia Travel is a platform where you will book for a flight, then Jumia will take you at a best offer. At these Jumia anniversary sales, when they are celebrating their 7th birthday, they are offering 20% discount on any trips, maybe from Kenya to Dubai. Let us search for that, so that you can see departure is from Kenyan region. That is the Jumia travel platform. Then we'll go to the anniversary sales. The Jumia Travel, they're offering they are offering your perfect hotel on one click away. You just book for your top destinations, maybe Nairobi, Naivasha, Mombasa, Diani Beach, and Masai Mara, and Jumia will take you to those destinations. The next destination is Jumia Food. That one you've looked at it. Then the Jumia sales, we are good to go. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, leave a comment, and order. Being a Jumia anniversary, at least order for a product and they will deliver you at your doorstep. They offer so many products. They have phone, tablets, electronics, computing. Computing means printers, accessories, laptops, home and office, those are beddings, mix, blending, iron, laundering, health, beauty, grocery, career, for shopping, baby products, fashions. Fashions are shoes, fashion accessories, men fashion, women fashion, automobiles like motorcycle power, sports, alarm systems, cleaning kits, gaming. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials, and order for product from Jumia.